All right, I should be live. Welcome to. I'm gonna make it a training video. I'm actually gonna remake this because I had to make a quick Google Hangout to record this for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk through how to create landing pages, opt-in pages with Instapage. Now the same process works if you're doing something with optimized press or ClickFunnels. Obviously, it's a different software, a different platform, but the concept is the same. And I actually also have videos on different examples of capture pages I've used for my different marketing and stuff. So let me jump right into it. I'm going to screen share, and I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to navigate this bad boy. All right. So once you get inside of your dashboard for Instapage, it's gonna actually look like this. It doesn't look like the templates. And when you usually log in, it'll have the different pages that you've made with the split testing. If you've created a split test of your page to see which converts better. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and create a new page. You can upload an Instapage file or scan an existing website, and what it'll do is it'll port all the information over to here for you. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pick a template. All right. At the top bar, you have all templates, lead generation. Lead generation is if you're going to be collecting leads. All right. So as you can see, all these different pages, I'm gonna do an example of one. I'm not going to do an example of each of them. They all work the same exact way. So lead generation is obviously you're generating leads. You're going to this is called a capture page. All right. A capture page has a capture mechanism to collect leads for you to build your email list. Lead gen, a two-step lead generation, two-step opt-in is simply a button, right, that leads to somebody opting in. So I'll show you an example real quick. All right, so you got lead gen. A lead gen example would be like this. All right, boom, somebody places their email here, example email at gmail.com. All right, and then click get your coupon code. I'm actually gonna come edit this page in a second. I'll show you guys how to use it. So I can go backward to the templates. Let's do a two-step opt-in. So let's use this guy, for example. It looks similar to the other one, but instead of having, just the opt-in mechanism, it's a two-step opt-in. So this is called micro commitment. A person makes a micro commitment, like clicking the button, and now they're like, oh, well, I might as well just fill out everything out anyway, since I'm already here. So that's how a two-step opt-in works, and they usually convert better when you're doing certain offers. So click-through is there's no lead generation, there's no nothing. You're just putting a link here and then having somebody click to the other side. All right, to go to wherever you're trying to get them to go to. This works good for CPA if you're not trying to collect leads. Obviously, webinars, mobile apps, and thank you pages, these are all self-explanatory. A thank you page is a thank you page. After somebody opts in, you can place a thank you page there. So I'm gonna go into lead gen real quick, and I'm just gonna, let me grab a template real quick. That'll be simple to use. So let's do something like this. So this is how you use Instapage. So I click edit this page. I call it CPA IG page 1 or something like that. Okay. So CPA Facebook ads page 1. Nobody sees the name of it. All right. Actually, they do. So you want to call it something that has to do with your niche. I'm going to delete this image. You can change the image. You can add an image. All right. This is how you add anything. You just click up here. Click on the elements tab up here. You can go to mobile, and you can go back to desktop. All right. Make sure you do this. All right. Make sure you arrange the mobile and the desktop as well. So I would click add if I wanted to add an HTML code. And as you can see, it just drops the block here. I can add a headline. And again, you can just see that it drops the block here. So what you do is you grab it and you can move it around and everything. So this is how you edit. I'm going to do something real quick. Learn how this college drop out, made 6 figures online. Boom. Or secret video shows how. This is where you put your ad copy. I usually would delete something like this. It's not necessary to have it there. You can click here and click edit. And look, all you have to do is put the YouTube URL, the Vimeo URL if you're using a video, all right? And for the opt-in, obviously, if you've got integration set up with MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, I recommend you guys use GetResponse. It's extremely user-friendly for anybody who's just getting started off building their list, and is very cost-effective. All right. So this is how you would add the integration for building your email list, if that's what you're choosing to do, which I recommend. The button. All right. Now, if I were doing something like a click-through, I'm going to delete this whole section. All right. And I'm just going to add a button. Okay. Now, again, obviously, we can change the color of the button and all that. Look, I'm going to make it red. And then when somebody, okay, my bad, this is black. I'm going to make it red. And when somebody hovers over it, let's make it goldish. And let's make her bigger. And you don't want to use the word submit, create free account today. All right. And you could put a border color if you wanted to. And there you go. Obviously, you would make it, look good. You can move this around. And then what I would do is you click this event button here, all right? And you're going to either send it to a landing page that you already have in Instapage, a pop-up, which is a 2-step opt-in, or outside URL, you could upload a file. Outside URL is where you put your tracking link, all right? So you're going to get this from your CPA network, or you're going to run it through your tracking software. So your tracking software, your tracking software is going to give you a link that looks like this. So this is one of my CPA links. So it'll look ugly as hell like this, but you could click track and then click done. So now anybody that clicks this button is going to be taken to your CPA offer. And you can actually break down, remove entire blocks, edit everything in here, and then make sure, you go to mobile optimize. You arrange everything how you want it to be arranged. Okay, so I would move this up. I would actually move this up further, right? You see that? See, I'm actually editing this out and make it look good on mobile. So you can make it look exactly how you want it on mobile. Let's say you want something to disappear. You can hide it on mobile. This button makes it hidden on mobile. All right. So we're going to click publish. Going to continue anyway. And what you're going to do is just, create my splash page, publish. And that's it. Now you can actually go grab this copy link address. You can grab this and mask it with your hosting or whatever, and now you have a CPA page done that quickly. All right, so that's how you do it. I have another video I'm going to show you that's going to give you examples of different pages you can use and different examples I've done in the past. So again, when people click here, they're going to be taken to your CPA offer just like that. All right, guys, so that's how it works. I'll see you in the next video.